Raleigh Business Guide is the premier business directory for Raleigh, North Carolina, and the surrounding areas. Find the best places to eat, drink, shop, auto, repairs, pro services, and more. We want to help all businesses in our community, so business owners are able to create a free listing. Upgrade to the Pro or Featured Premier levels to get all the extra functionality to increase your exposure and attract more customers. You may also buy ad promotions within the site to place your business on the first page in our featured section. Choose to buy a sidebar promo, which will come up in the sidebar when people click on business listings. And you can also buy a top of the search promo, which will make your business appear at the top of the search results in your categories. We hope all businesses in Raleigh and the surrounding areas will see the great benefits of using their listing on Raleigh Business Guide. Create your listing now for free to bring more customers and increase your sales. Take advantage of the Raleigh Business Guide now and watch your business soar.